Okay, so to create a box plot in BoxPlotR, first you want to authorize the app. So this will just make you log in and use your UTS email, and then log in as you normally would. I'll send you back and click on G Sheets again. It'll say there's an error, just ignore it, there isn't. And then you want to grab the URL of your data, so this is just a sample one, and paste that in here. These things are all correct, so you can leave those for now. Click to load data. It'll take a couple of seconds, but it should come up. And then you can see your visualization and all of the values for it. If you want to create a new one, at the moment you'll need to exit completely and start a new browser window.